Yes, we feed the birds here. We got a whole bunch of little small birds that we feed, but also the woodpeckers, and that's what this is for. I buy beef suet. That's what this is. This is $2.29 a pound. It's about almost 3 pounds right here. It all comes in this plastic little container. And what I do, get a knife, and then I cut it up in pieces about an inch thick. What I'm doing right now. It's kind of stringy. There's 1 inch piece. Another one. So there's 3 pieces right here. Then what I do is, I got some plastic wrap here. I put it in it, wrap it up, just like that. And I got another one here just to show you. And I put that one in there and wrap that one there up. And then what I do, I put this into the freezer. I freeze it up. Then when I notice that we're getting low, I can just reach into a freezer, pull out one of these, and I can fill the suet feeder back up. And we will show the suet feeder here, how we fill that up. It's just a little square little thing, just about that big. And the woodpeckers and the chickadees and all the other birds, they like it too. So they come and they eat it too. Yeah, I'm outside. You can see the suet feeder right here. You can see the suet. It's just about gone. I was kind of meant to do this earlier, but I didn't. I got a piece of suet that I cut up last night. It's frozen now. See, it's all wrapped up in plastic. Gotta unwrap it here. It wasn't too bad today. It's cloudy. You've been getting much sun lately here. There's the piece of suet. Yeah, like I said, about an inch. Okay. This has just got a little chain on it. I don't know if you can really see it. It's got a couple catches right here. Gotta try to undo it here. Like, get the chain out of the way here. There, like that. There it is. Yes, that's kind of yucky there, but they don't mind. You can see the 2 catches there. All I do is just put it in, just like that. And then close it back up. And there it is for the woodpecker. The chickadees like it. Nuthatches. Finches will get on to some, but they kind of, the woodpeckers. I've seen one here on it, and then over here, I've seen a woodpecker there, and then he'll get sick of waiting, and he'll jump on the suet feeder and scare the other one off. Sometimes they get right on the bottom there. It's kind of funny to see them get on the bottom. Right there, there'll be a small woodpecker hanging there. I've never seen a big woodpecker on the suet. I've seen where they've done the damage to the trees, but I've never really seen them on the suet at all, because them are big ones. The ones we get, this is, you can see my hand, sometimes they're not much bigger, longer than the suet feeder. They're kind of small one, downy. They're kind of small ones, but we enjoy getting them I'm going to try to turn the camera. See, there's the other feeder right there. That is just black oil sunflower seeds. I find out that is the best seed for the birds that we feed. Nuthatches, finches, I can't even think even. Chickadees. We have seen cardinals come, but of course that's in the summertime. And I said finches, nuthatches, juncos. Juncos are ground feeders. I'm pointing towards the snow. They seem to get on the snow, and quite often we'll get quite a few juncos here. I ain't seen many grosbeaks this year though. Seen a few blue jays. So, but that's how I do the suet, and we feed them black oil sunflower seeds. This is something I made up for Brenda. It's nothing fancy. Very simple design. Took like about a foot square piece of plywood, and then I put some about a, I don't know, 3/4 inch boards, a 3/4 inch thick, all the way around it. I did it to keep the seeds in, see? And I dumped seeds right in it because there's some birds, they prefer to land on the ground or something like this instead of on a feeder that you just saw. You will notice the nails here sticking up. There's one here. There's another one there. Them are for the Baltimore Orioles. So when we see them, we will put out oranges for them. We only see them here for like 2 weeks, and they seem to have gone. So there ain't, you know, we bought a feeder once and was all excited, and that was a waste of money. So we have much better luck with just putting oranges here. We just buy a bag of oranges and we just start putting them out. And like I said, they're only here for like 2 weeks. And, they're gone. This is also up in the air. I can kind of show you. Like I said, it's nothing fancy. It's just a shelf bracket. It's nothing fancy at all. Okay, and it's on a so-called T-post. Nothing fancy, but the birds like it, and this allows us to see it when we're sitting inside. We can see the birds come here. Also the squirrels too. The squirrels will get up here and jump on it and eat. But that's okay. That's the way it goes. So, well, I hope you enjoyed seeing how we feed the birds here with the suet, the black oil sunflower seeds, and everything else that we do with the birds. We really enjoy them. And most years I put out some trees in the front lawn because we do not have any trees on the front lawn, so we put them up so the birds can land it. I just go out in the woods and I just cut down some pine trees and I just put them here and there on the front lawn. Like and subscribe. You never know what's going to be on our videos. God bless.